How to get Snapchat AI. Now, my AI is a chatbot currently available to Snapchatters. In a chat conversation, you'll be able to see here and you can interact with it as well. Now, how do you get it? Since this is the latest feature on Snapchat, all you have to do is update your app to the latest version. Now what you want to do is simply head into your Play Store or App Store on your device and search in for Snapchat, and what you want to do is update it. You'll find the update option instead of this open option that you can see on screen right now. Simply tap an update and you'll be updated. However, if you updated the app, if you open up Snapchat and here head into chat here, you'll be able to see my AI and you can open it up and you can interact with it. You'll find the AI at the top of your screen, or if you don't find it, what you can do is from the search bar simply search in for AI and you'll find it here. You can see my AI popping up. Now, if you don't get the update, what you can do is you can force the update. Simply scroll down the notification bar, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen and head into the option apps. Scroll all the way down below, head into apps, and on the search bar, search in for Snapchat. Now what you want to do is you want to clear the data of the app. What you want to scroll down and head into storage, and at the bottom of your screen, you'll find the option manage storage. Simply tap on it and it'll ask you to delete app data. Simply tap on delete app data, and once you do this, it'll reset all your app data, and what you need to do is head into Play Store back and you'll find the update. Now you just need to update your app, and once you update it, if you open up Snapchat, you'll get an interface like this. Log into your account, and what you want to do is tap on the chat icon at the bottom of your screen, and here at the very top you'll be able to find my AI. So this way you can get Snapchat AI. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.